Hi Scorpio, Madam Memoir Intuitive Guidance here, doing your December 2018 monthly tarot read. All of the information associated with this reading will be in the description box below this video. Before starting the recording for your monthly Scorpio, I was meditating and I picked up on some really turbulent energy. It prompted me to kind of follow my intuition here, and a song was playing in my mind as I was meditating for you, and that song was Rain on Me by Ashanti. And I'm going to post that in the description box as well. Anyone who would like to click on the link and view the video, please do so if you're a Scorpio, because that was very, the song itself is not too disturbing. It's the video was very symbolic of what you may be experiencing in a relationship. Your relationship could be mentally or physically abusive is what I was picking up on. So have a look at that video. And again, that song was Rain on Me by Ashanti. So hopefully the energies of this reading won't be too bad, but we'll see what comes out. We have the Ten of Cups here. Then we have the Queen of Swords. And that just flipped over as I was kind of, warming the cards up for you. These are messages for Scorpio. The Knight of Swords. Messages for Scorpio for December 2018. Okay. The Five of Swords. Oh, a lot of swords. Scorpio. Okay. The Empress. Okay, Scorpio. First, I'd like to say, again, like I told Aquarius last month in the November readings, I had some technical issues. So I definitely wanted to make sure that you guys were closer to the top of the list rather than at the bottom for your Decembers. And like I stated, as this reading began, I was picking up on some turbulent energy, and I'm getting a little bit of that right now with these swords here. You have the Ten of Cups. You have also the Queen of Swords. You also have the Knight of Swords, the Five of Swords, and then the Empress. So what I'm picking up on is definitely a either a long-term commitment or a marriage here with the Ten of Cups and the Empress. But Scorpio, I'm not feeling that this Empress is you. You have a family situation that is about to break up. And again, it's right here at the holidays, and I'm not sure if you can see this, but this looks like holiday decorations to me. At the bottom of this Ten of Cups card, you have a male figure that's kind of hugging, and I mean, it's like a one arm barely hug. I'm sensing unhappiness in a marriage or a long-term commitment. And then you also have a child here that's kind of looking up at the father like, are you really, and he's pointing like, are you really about to leave? Are you really about to go? And that's really the sense that I'm getting here. You have, I don't know if it's a husband or just a long-term boyfriend. It could be vice versa, where the wife in this situation is thinking about leaving, but I'm picking up more so that it is the husband or boyfriend figure that's getting ready to depart this family situation. Could be like a long-term living boyfriend or something like that. But again, it feels right here at the holidays. There's a breakup here. If it hasn't happened already, it could happen right before Christmas. But this person, and like I said, the Empress is here, but I'm not picking up that it's you, Scorpio. I'm picking up that this is a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. Could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius in their chart. Oh, man. Someone that this male figure wants to, he's going towards this person. Excuse me. He's going towards this Empress, leaving this family situation for this Empress, is what they're saying. He's getting ready to manifest over here. And again, there is like opposing energy between these two cards. So you could very well be going through some type of breakup or strife in the household. Arguing is what I'm also picking up on. A difference of opinions on how things should be run in the home. Especially here with the Queen of Swords and the Knight of Swords. First of all, the Knight of Swords is like in complete darkness. And in this card, it's actually depicted as like the headless horseman. Yeah, it's a headless horseman on a black horse. You guys are fighting like cats and dogs in this household. And the Queen of Swords here has like, it's a fairy, but it has a knife. I mean, a sword at this male's neck. So, Scorpio, you're demanding some type of truth from this male. You're demanding some type of truth. You're going to cut this person's head off. But he's ready for you. You guys have been fighting. So it's like, okay, yeah, go ahead and cut my head off. I'm still leaving. Go ahead and cut me off. That's what it is. Go ahead and cut me off. I'm still leaving. Ooh, this is getting ugly. Because I can hear the fighting, the bickering. And it's like, your ass ain't never at home anyway. It's a lot of back and forth with this. This is like very, very, it is. It's like verbal attacks, verbal abuse towards each other, emotional manipulation towards each other. You say something to hurt them, they say something to hurt you. For others of you, you feel like you can't be yourself around a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. You cannot be yourself around a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or like I said, Scorpio, this could be you getting ready to cut someone's head off. That's a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. But you guys do not get along. I'm hearing they could also have fire in their chart. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This is a situation, if you guys stay in the house together any longer, somebody's going to get hurt. For some of you. For others of you, you guys are trying to get the nerve to speak up, speak your truth to a Scorpio. If you're a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, cross-watching Scorpio. Some of you are the Scorpio getting ready to get the nerve to speak your truth and speak up to a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. It could be a situation also where you both have Scorpio and Gemini, Libra, Aquarius in your chart. One of you has fire, the other has earth in your chart. But there's definitely some fighting going on. If you guys have a child, this child doesn't understand why you bicker and argue so much. They feel like it's because of them, is what I'm hearing from the child. They feel like it's their fault that you two can't get along. And to some degree, the child is pretty accurate. Because here's the thing about procreation. When you're not meant to procreate with someone and you do it anyway, it creates karma. And of course, it's not the child's fault. But the bickering and the arguing and the can't come to, some type of common ground is the karma from getting with someone that you weren't supposed to be with. And this is kind of like that situation where you guys were not supposed to be together. I think I have said this before to Scorpio, or some of you that may be dealing with Scorpios. But this is really bad. This is getting really bad. You guys can't be at home at the same time right now and not have an argument, is what I'm hearing. For some of you, you may have heard that this person was getting ready to leave you. For others of you, you may have also heard that this person was getting ready to tell you the truth. That they're leaving you, or they're tired of being with you or living with you, or it's going to be like a loud and clear, I don't want to be with you anymore, or a loud and clear, I can't stand you. For others of you, you're going to get some type of quick communication. Some quick communication about, it could be where you stay, it could be where you're going. But there's definitely some quick communication. Hasty is what they're saying. Hasty communication. So let's pull some more cards and see what else is going on with Scorpio, because this is definitely dead on to what I was feeling before I started recording for you guys. Okay. The King of Cups. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So again, I was correct. You both could have Scorpio in your chart. Scorpio and Gemini, Libra, Aquarius in your chart. But one of you has earth and the other one has fire in their chart. The male is Scorpio with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And he is the one going towards this Empress. And this King of Cups, he is definitely offering, looks like jewelry to this Empress. So, for instance, if you are a long-term live-in girlfriend, boyfriend, or like a baby mama, baby daddy situation, he's getting ready to go off with this Empress and propose to her. If it's not a proposal, he's offering his heart to her. A fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn is what I'm hearing. This is interesting. It's definitely his heart. It's his heart. They're saying his heart. It could very well be a proposal, but I'm picking up it's like his heart. There's a lot of green, the heart chakra. He's offering his heart to this person. This also may be the cause of this fighting because he's getting ready to speak up. He may have already spoken up to you, Scorpio, which is where this fighting is coming in, because he told you he's ready to leave you, or you can sense it, is what they're also saying, because some of you are very intuitive. You can sense it. You went through they're saying you went through his phone. You went through his phone. You saw something. It was some text messages or like direct messages in the DMs. You saw something. And you may have confronted this person, especially being the Queen of Swords. You may have confronted him. And it's like, you want to know the truth? Okay, fine. There's the truth. Yeah, I'm leaving you. There's a lot of arguing going on. And it's definitely here at the holidays. Let me get one for the 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups. Ooh, that blew out. 6 of Swords. And in traditional tarot, the 6 of Swords is someone that's moving away into calmer waters, in a boat, moving away. Here is like they're ready to fight you. You guys may get into a scuffle in the house, a fight. You guys may get into some type of scuffle in the house. I asked for a clarifier for the 10 of Cups. You guys are about to fight in the house. And if you're not going to fight in the house, you're going to fight this person to keep them from leaving. So you're going to be throwing stuff at them or hitting them in the back while they're leaving is what I'm also hearing and picking up. For some of you, it's like an entire family that's going to be like trying to fight this person because they want to leave you. This is heavy, Scorpio. It's like a father and a brother and a best friend and a boy cousin. They're all going to gang up on this person for wanting to leave you. You done called in the family, Lord. You've called in the family to handle this one because they want to leave you. You feel like someone is taking your crown. The Queen of Swords. You feel like someone is taking your crown because they want to leave this Ten of Cups situation, and it's really not the Ten of Cups. And keep in mind, I'm an intuitive reader, so although I read my cards upright, this Ten of Cups is actually reversed. This is not a happy family situation, and it hasn't been for a long time. And this so-called family, these male family members, a father, the patriarch of the family, a brother, a cousin, they've been like intimidating this person or like threatening this person that they have to stay in this kind of union for some reason. When really I'm picking up you guys could be married, but I'm picking it up more so as like a long-term commitment that you guys have just been in. And instead of solidifying it with a marriage, you guys have just been like living together. And so because it's like you guys are still single, although living in like a common law type of situation, you have these male family members that have been threatening this person that they better stay with you, is what I'm picking up on, Scorpio. For others of you, it is you that has been threatening this person. They better stay with you, or I'm going to call my people. Is what, and this person, they may have been like fearful, intimidated for a long time, but they are ready to offer their heart to something real, is what they're saying, something real. And so this person is like, you know what, you gonna cut my head off anyway. I'm gonna go ahead and be happy. And they may have spoken this to you. You guys could have been fighting for at least a month or two. For others of you, this is just about to play out. Why is the Queen of Swords here? Okay. The Queen of Pentacles. It's an earth sign, like I said, with fire, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. You've been fighting because, again, green, the heart chakra. Yeah, he wants to offer his heart to someone that is nurturing, someone that is kind. Because he doesn't see you as kind. He sees you as controlling. Very controlling. Your family is controlling. I think I picked this up in your November as well as some of the unicorn reports. So Scorpio, go back and look at last month, November 2018 monthly tarot read, as well as some of your unicorn reports. Because this is playing out. Let me get one for the Knight of Swords. What's this haste about? Woo. Yeah. Gossip. Gossip and the truth. So again, this person spoke the truth to you. They told you. They told you, is what they're saying. For others of you, they're about to tell you this. And it's going to wake up the beast in you. Yeah, let me get one for the Five of Swords. This is Five of Swords about for Scorpio. Five of Swords. Okay. The Seven of Cups. He's going towards this other person. He's going to find her. And when he does find her, she's going to be open arms. So Scorpio, also look at the Aquarius and the Sagittarius reading. Because I think I mentioned you in their readings and they're showing up in yours. He's going to go find this Queen of Pentacles Empress person. Someone he finds very nurturing. Nurturing, attractive, abundant. And when he finds her, she's going to be open arms, offering her love, being nurturing, ready to grow with him. She's going to treat him like the king that he is. And she's going to treat him like the king he is what they're saying. She's not afraid to submit. This is submission. I don't know if you can see this, but you have someone that's like kneeling as he gives his heart to her. She's not afraid to submit. And Scorpio, you're coming across as the Queen of Swords. Very cutthroat, very... I get the last say. You do what I say. Or I'm going to tell my people. I'm going to tell my family. And he's like, you know what? To hell with whatever it is that you're threatening me with. You're going to cut my head off anyway. I'm going to go ahead and tell you the truth. Yeah, I'm going towards this other person. Because she know how to treat me, is what he's saying. Ooh, Scorpio, this is like, ooh. This is really harsh reality for you. Really, really harsh. He's going to be open arms because he's tired of the bickering, the fighting. And like I said, if he hasn't already, he's going to tell you all of this and then he's going to storm out. What other messages do you have for Scorpio? The Nine of Pentacles and the King of Swords. Yeah, you guys are married or long-term commitment. But he's kneeling before the truth here in this King of Swords. Kneeling, conceding to the truth that he wants to lead. That this is no longer a happy home. Because like I said, although I read all my cards upright, trust me, I know when they are reversed. This Ten of Cups is reversed. And this is playing out at the holidays. But he is done trying to prove himself to you. When someone else sees his value, sees his worth, understands who he is nurturing, is submissive. It's a Sagittarius. It's a Sagittarius with Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius in their chart. How do I know this? This person is pulling back a slingshot, which is very reminiscent of an archer. And you, my friends, Scorpio, have taken too long. You have taken too long to be all of these things that he wants you to be or needs you to be. to continue this family situation. So call your people. It's not going to matter this time. You're jealous. I'm hearing your jealous rage. Your jealous rages are not going to stop this. You've taken too long. There's a snail here. You've taken too long, is what they're saying, Scorpio. Again, sometimes my messages, they can be very specific. I don't argue with spirit. I read the messages as I'm being given the messages. So if this is not your reading this month, hopefully next month, or the unicorn report or your dailies will gear more towards you. But I'm picking up on this situation, and this is coming to a close for you guys, because he's definitely going towards this other person, someone he views as more compatible, more submissive, more nurturing. It's like the Ace of Cups. And he's tired of the arguing, the mind games with you, Scorpio. The Four of Pentacles is here. You've been trying to hold on to this person by your family. I'll call my big brother. Because I'm picking up you're a Scorpio female. The Scorpio males are the ones still going towards this new person. But you have been trying to hold on to this person. Emotional blackmail is what they're saying. Emotional blackmail. Threatening them, like trying to strong arm someone to stay with you. And honestly, I would not want to stay with anyone that did not want to stay with me, Scorpio. And I know a lot of Scorpios that have control issues. This is like a very controlling, obsessive Scorpio here. Trying to hold on to someone that is ready to let you go. Let them go, Scorpio. Because this is going to be a tower moment. Let's get two more, please. Two more for Scorpio. Okay. The Three of Wands. And this Three of Wands card, it's like a big cup, a big chalice spilled over. The wine is spilled over. So this is a situation where he's got friends that's going to help him move his stuff. His emotions have run dry for you. And he may have been drinking his emotions away. It's also what I'm hearing. Because you have been trying to hold him hostage, and he's ready to go. One more, please, for Scorpio. He's been drinking. And the World card, yeah, this is a cycle that's over with you guys. It's a cycle that's over. And again, it's a situation where there are a lot of people involved. There are a lot of family members, a lot of friends, all with different opinions, different emotions about this. People ready to fight each other over who should be with who and why they should stick it out versus doing what it is that they really want to do. And how dare you want someone new? I'm picking up that it's a father. Your father. How dare you not want my daughter and want someone else? Do you know what I'll do to you if you... It's a very controlling father. And that may be where you got your control issues from, Scorpio. For some of you, you have a controlling mother. A very controlling mother. that is like this, where she's the strong one and her father, your father, which is her husband, is a pushover. And so again, it's like a cycle that's trying to rebuild itself through you. Only this time the cycle is being broken. Because this person is no longer going to be your pushover. They're ready to go. And they are leaving. No matter what your father or your mother have said. You cannot bully, intimidate this person to stay with you anymore. So I'm going to get a spirit message to see what comes out for you, Scorpio. Again, if this is not your reading, hopefully next month or one of the daily or weeklies will be. I have one spirit message, please, for Scorpio. Let me have a spirit message for Scorpio. Okay. Protecting treasure. Okay, so again, this is someone trying to hold on to someone that is not trying to hold on to them. You have a female laying on a treasure chest. And maybe you didn't even you didn't treasure this person until they were ready to leave. And it's raining. Okay, I'm going to title this video Rain on Me after Ashanti's video. If you take a look at that video, it starts out with a couple arguing. And then once the video itself actually starts, you will see a lot of water and rain. Same thing. It's raining on this person now. You have held on to something too long, Scorpio. And you didn't cherish or treasure this person. And now you don't understand why they want to leave you. You're trying to protect and hang on to something that is no longer hanging on to you. And if you don't let go, the wheel is going to spin anyway. The world is here. The wheel is going to spin on you anyway. So no matter what everybody tries to say or do to this person, it's time for them to leave your life. So I wish that your reading was better this month, Scorpio. But like I said, I picked up on this energy before I hit record. If you like what you've seen here, please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I can be reached, MadamMemoir@gmail.com. Please also hit me up on my other platforms, Instagram or Instant Go. Until next month, next read, love and light.